How to disable Talkback on any Samsung Galaxy. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So Talkback is a good feature for those who need it, but if you have accidentally turned it on and want to turn it off, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, I'm going to show you how this actually works.
Double camera. Instagram.
So you will have to double tap on everything to open it and then swipe with 2 fingers. So if you want to turn this feature off, then you have to tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you want to tap on accessibility. So tap on this option, and after that you want to tap on the talkback option. As you can see, talkback feature is enabled here. So to disable this, you simply have to toggle this option off. So now here you want to tap on turn off, and once you do that, talkback feature will be turned off. Now we can go back to normal and just tap once to open any application and swipe with just 1 finger. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.